Unboxing your new Element printer. Remove hardware from the shipping crate. Then remove any external packaging. Lift Element by the handle and by the material pod MP5 and MP8. Place the element in your desired location. This is a two-person job. Remove tape from the door, then remove the contents from within inside the chamber. Your element will include everything you need to get started on your first print. Remove the lid of the printer, then remove the 3 yellow shipping clips on the access belts by cutting the cable ties. Set the voltage on the back of your element based on the region. North America should be set to 115 volts, while Europe and the UK should be set to 230 volts. Plug in the power supply to the printer and wall outlet. Toggle the switch to the on position. Upon first powering your element, please follow the on-screen prompts for setup instructions. Please review the provided guide Getting Started for instructions on installing your material pods on your element. Once the material pods have been installed, you're ready to begin your first element print.